Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience using this product. Vitagene, https://www.vitagene.com, offers personalized health insights based on your DNA. By analyzing your genetic makeup, Vitagene aims to provide tailored recommendations for diet, supplements, and exercise. Their process involves ordering a DNA testing kit, submitting a saliva sample, and then receiving a comprehensive report detailing your genetic predispositions. This report can offer insights into potential health risks, nutrient deficiencies, and optimal fitness strategies. They claim to empower users to make informed decisions about their health and wellness by understanding their unique genetic blueprint. The service may offer various packages, some of which may include consultations with health professionals to help interpret the results and create a personalized action plan. While DNA testing can be a powerful tool, it's crucial to remember that genetic predispositions don't necessarily dictate your health outcomes. Lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, and environmental influences still play a significant role. Vitagene emphasizes the importance of using their service in conjunction with guidance from healthcare providers. It's also important to consider data privacy and security when using any DNA testing service. Be sure to research the company's privacy policy and understand how your genetic information will be handled and protected. Vitagene's approach to personalized wellness through DNA analysis is a compelling concept, but it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective and consult with your doctor to discuss the implications of your results. Remember, genetic information is complex and requires careful interpretation within the broader context of your overall health and lifestyle. They might offer different subscription tiers depending on the level of detail and support you require. Check their website for the most up-to-date information on pricing and package options. As with any health-related service, it's advisable to do your own research and compare Vitagene with other similar providers before making a decision. Consider reading reviews and seeking professional advice to ensure you choose the service that best aligns with your needs and expectations. Remember, taking control of your health is a journey, and tools like Vitagene can potentially be a helpful part of that journey.